TVK founder and actor turned politician Vijay has now kick-started his campaign for Tamil Nadu Assembly elections to be held next year. Now, ahead of the campaign, the actor turned politician urged his supporters to maintain discipline during events, and this as officials have now restricted the event to just 25 minutes with no roadshow or public reception allowed en route. Now, according to TVK, the campaign will have the masked contact style of Dravidian politics with roadshows and street corner meetings forming the core of the party's outreach. In fact, the campaign will span 98 days until December 28th, and Vijay has announced that he would personally visit every district in the state to connect with citizens on the ground.
Our leaders' campaign is starting in Trichy, and then it is Arilur, and then to Parambalur. And you can see, like last 12 days, our cadres has been facing a lot of difficulties in getting the approval. We wanted the people also to know that this DMK government is very much afraid of our leader and afraid of the support given to our people, support given to our leader, and that is the only reason they are very much worried and giving all these approvals. And out of this, we'll overcome all this, and with all the blessings of the Tamil Nadu people, we'll overcome all these challenges, and our leader will meet the people for next 3 months, and will be a successful program.
Now, viewers, if you look at the political landscape, for Vijay, the DMK is the political enemy, while BJP is positioned as an ideological rival. He has made it clear that there will be no alliances unless he's the one who's leading. In fact, TVK's strategy is pretty simple here. Capture the anti-DMK vote base, target AIA-DMK, and carve a fresh space in Tamil Nadu's political landscape. And at the heart of his campaign is youth power. Banking on first-time voters and young supporters, Vijay hopes to turn mass popularity into electoral strength in Tamil Nadu. The battle lines have now been drawn, and the question remains, can Vijay convert his star power into real political power on the ground?